What do we have here? What you doing? What you doing? Yeah? Well, we're not going to go in the car again. No more car. Hey. Hey. Ooh, ooh. You can't get me. Ooh. Yeah? Yeah? Oh, can you show me the ball? Where's the ball? Yeah. Hi. What? What you want? Huh? Ow. You're hurting me. What? What? Did your teeth hurt? Hmm? Really? Yeah? What else? Yeah? Hey, what you doing? You going under my shirt? Yeah? You want to come up? Up? Yeah? Okay, here we go. Up, up. There you go. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi, Tyler. Squirm bucket. Now you're going down? Where are you going? What you doing? Hi. Psst, psst, psst. Hi. Psst, psst, psst. Psst, psst. What is that? Yeah. Yeah. Doggies. What? Hi. What are you doing? You going under my shirt? Where's Tyler? There he is. Where's Tyler? Hi. Where's Tyler? Where's Tyler? Oh, hello. What, baby? You want to take pictures? Yeah? Mr. Wound Up? Badoop. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Oh, what you got? Kleenex? Keys? Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing, Tyler? What are you doing? Hi. I know. Tyler, we just came back in from taking you on a long ride. All right, all right. Yeah, let me put my shoes on. And we'll go for a ride in the car. Okay.